Hi. Hi. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I'm not gonna take any names, guys. First of all, tell me, can you hear me? एक तो I hardly come live, and उसके बाद ये सब. It's kind of irritating, which is why I don't come live. I can't handle lives and all these technicalities on my own. I need someone. Hina, I miss you. Manu, I miss you. Yes, we can hear you. Michelle Blogger says loud and clear. Thank God. Ab mat, someone saying no? Abhishek Singh? Are you trying to fool me? देखो मजाक मत करो. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. What is wrong with my Instagram? Not hear you. Guys, can you hear me? हाँ ठीक है नबीना, मेरी आवाज स्वीट है, फिलहाल सुनाई दे रही है या नहीं? You guys are confusing me. Some are writing. Can you show the photo frame behind your bed? This one. We can hear you. Okay. आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Everyone says yes. Okay, you guys out there, stop fooling me. This is something really, really serious, and I don't really do it more often. So please, there are many people who really, really want to hear me. Hear me talk. Hi मुस्कान. हाँ जी, क्या पूछ रहे थे आप? आप वो फोटो फ्रेम के बारे में पूछ रहे थे. That photo frame has been gifted by one of my fans, and I kind of liked it, and I put it behind. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I do take a look at it. You guys want to see it? Let me show it to you. Oh, my room is a mess though. Still. Okay, so there's a name written on it. Your biggest fan, Paras. Paras Makeover is his Insta handle, and he gifted me this. It has this written over here: Daddy, strong girl, and mine and Daddy's many pictures are in it, and I love it. So ये है वहाँ पे. Anyway, आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो बताइए कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आपके बेड पर जो टेडी है, यू मीन टू से पू, वो किसने दिया? आई हैव नो आइडिया वो किसने दिया था. या तो आई बॉट इट माई सेल्फ और someone must have gifted it to me. I have no clue. It's like really old. 12 साल हो गए इसको मेरे साथ. I need to restuff it. अब तो इसकी stuffing भी almost चली गई है. 12 years is like a lot of time. So yeah. Tell us lipstick shades you apply. You mean to say now what I've applied? It's there. I'll have to again get up. This is a shade from the brand called Morph, and recently Nykaa Beauty sent all the Morph products to me, and I kind of really like them. They sent me some of it is here only. Let me just get it. Yeah, so see, some of it was right here, so I'm just showing it to you. So they've got these amazing colors, and there are more. And apparently I heard Arya commented on my story and said, "Oh my god, Morph is finally in India." So, which means, yeah, Morph is in India. She is quite active about the beauty brands. So, yeah, Morph is in India, guys. Go shop on Nykaa Beauty. Why am I doing all this? I'm not here for all this. Y'all asked me for a lipstick shade and I just started. Okay, yeah. So this one is from the brand called Morph, and let me just get it for you. Let me just at least read out the lipstick shade for you, or the number. Yeah, this is the one. Morph. How's it shown? Yeah. And I don't see. Lilas. Lilas is the name. Lylas. So you can get it from Nykaa Beauty or anywhere else. I don't know where else. Okay. What else? और बताइए क्या चल रहा है. हाँ, तो मैं बात कर रही थी कि किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था मोहब्बत है के बारे में. Shahid and my song directed by Mohit Suri, which is going to come on Viral Originals. You are going to yeah, you're going to when? I think in the month of October, maybe. Yeah, you'll get to see the song. And Main Bhi Barbad is releasing on 23rd, so I am very excited. You'll see a different me. I saw the first cut yesterday and I really liked it. It has been directed by Aditya Dutt, who directed our song Barish Banjana, and it was a treat working with him. He's so sorted, so simple, and so adorable to work with, and it was an honor. And then I worked with Angad for the first time, and Angad was so sweet. We connected, although we did not really spend a lot of time together, but Angad ke saath bahut maza aaya, and hope that we work again in future, inshallah. What else? So yeah, I'm quite excited about Bedard. There are a lot of other things happening which I'm not going to disclose right now. I know you all have been waiting patiently. Be patient, guys. अच्छा होगा, बहुत अच्छा होगा, trust me. So be patient. Song सुना दो मैम एक. Thank you, Aisha Khan. What do you want me to show? Oh, like really? बस कुछ ही टाइम की तो बात है. हाँ, मोहब्बत में थोड़ा टाइम है. But the other one you'll see very soon. Hi, Pooja! How are you? Pooja suddenly has become very active on Instagram, and I see she's just posting all the possible reels and she's killing it, and her daughter is super adorable, and वो दोनों माँ बेटी मिलके बहुत तहलका मचा रहे हैं अपने Instagram पे, and I love your reels. बहुत मजा आता है पूजा, and your daughter is so cute. Guys, please follow her and see. She's really doing some amazing work, and बहुत cutely करते हैं दोनों माँ बेटी. माँ तो पहले से cute है. I know her since a very long time, and the daughter is also cuter than her. So you please go follow, watch, and enjoy. Thank you, Harsh. Love you, Pooja. You know, it's been so long that I've not met all of these people, but I don't know, कोई connection है, which is like just kept us connected. कोई तो है, कुछ तो है. Did you go to Siddharth's place and met Shena? Yes, I did. I did. As I mentioned, the day I landed from Srinagar, before flying to Maldives, straight from the airport. Yes. Thank you, G. Thank you so much. I missed a comment. Thank you, Pooja. You too. Take care. Sonu Ji. कित्थे हो आप, सोनू जी? हमारे सोनू ठुकराल जी ऑनलाइन हैं, मेरे बहुत ही प्रिय मित्र. हाय इकरा. In fact, I'm gonna see them once again very soon. I think in a couple of days I will go and I'll go to his place and meet Auntie and everyone else. They were really, really sweet and nice. May God give them strength. And to all you people out there. ओके जी पविंदर जी, प्लीज प्लीज अब जाइए मत, आपका नाम ले लिया मैंने. Sweetheart, I could not go this year. Inshallah, next year I will. I could not. I have to go to Cannes for my film Country of Blind, but unfortunately this year I could not because of COVID and all the restrictions for all the people traveling from India. So I could not really make it, but inshallah, next year, fingers crossed. Vedant ji, thank you. Happiest soul. Thank you. Mr. Prajapat. I know. The only key is distraction, guys. Trust me, I have been through it. I have dealt with it. It's just been 5 months though, but I can understand. And whatever I've discovered in all these five months, and whatever comforted me, I did that. And I believe one has to learn the art of distraction. That's the only key. That's the only key. Otherwise, you'll not survive. Your body is not built that way to absorb so much pain. You probably may go in depression. You probably may not want to even step out or meet anybody. That's the way it affects you. I have dealt with it. I know how it is. All I can tell you guys out there is try and distract yourself. Learn the art of distraction. That's the only way out. Only way out. Otherwise, if you keep thinking about it, you also may not survive, because we are not built that way. We cannot endure so much pain. We cannot. Our bodies cannot. We fall sick. We fall ill. And a lot of other things happen. And I think in today's time, more than anything, what is important is your mental health and your sanity. You have to focus. Otherwise, you'll lose it. You'll lose it completely. That's all I have to say. It affected me. It affected everybody more than anyone else. His own mother, his sisters, his family, everybody. हम तो थोड़ा बहुत कुछ जानते थे. जिन लोगों ने उसके साथ पैदा होने से लेकर तब तक का वक्त गुजारा, उन लोगों के लिए कैसा फील हो रहा होगा, मैं completely अंडरस्टैंड कर सकती हूँ. And I don't really like to talk about it much, so I am not going to elaborate and discuss more about it because it kind of affects me, and it is a conscious decision that I don't want to talk about it since the time dad's thing happened, and I don't want to talk about it. It is going to live with me, it is going to be a part of me, and I will deal with it. So similarly, they are strong enough, they'll deal with it. You guys are strong enough, you'll deal with it. But one has to learn the art of distraction, because I know what my body goes through. I know what all I go through. There's no other way. You meet any doctor in the world, everyone will tell you the same thing. You have to distract. Anyway, और बताएं, प्लीज एड मी ऑन लाइव. हिना दीदी, आपके घर में छोटू बेबी कौन है? मायरा. Myra is gone. She's back. She's in Srinagar. I so miss her. I miss making stories with her. She's adorable. She is my cousin sister's daughter, and my first cousin's daughter. And she had come here. She was here for a month, and her children are adorable. So yeah, we had an amazing time. And when we left for Srinagar, she also is back home. So I don't know when is Myra going to come here again, but it was so much fun, she around us. We kind of like completely forgot everything, and it was a good distraction. निधि मित्तल जी, इस वक्त नहीं. जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा कि माई रूम इज अ मेस. आई हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग, पैकिंग, अनपैकिंग. देयर इज स्टफ ऑल ओवर माई रूम. आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम गोना डू माई रूम टुडे. तो आज तो मैं मतलब किसी को ऐड नहीं कर पाऊंगी. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे रैंडमली सूझा कि आज थोड़ा सा लाइव जाते हैं और आप सब लोगों से बात करते हैं. हिना दी, गर्ल्स के लिए मोटिवेशनल वीडियो बनाइए. आप टॉपिक दीजिए, मैं बात करूंगी. मेरे पास जो भी होगा शेयर करने के लिए मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करूंगी. आप बताइए किस टॉपिक पे मैं शायद थोड़ा सा भी अगर एफर्ट करूं आप लोगों को मोटिवेट करने की. मुझे आप टॉपिक दीजिए. आई विल प्रोबेबली डू इट एंड पुट इट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. इनफैक्ट मैंने सोचा था मैं एक वीडियो, आई वुड बी फिल्मिंग अ वीडियो जहाँ पर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मैंने कोविड में क्या क्या किया. नहीं बनाया मैंने, भूल गए. I am so inactive on YouTube. I'm so inactive on YouTube. I know, guys. I know. Hina, I hope she's not watching it. About depression and anxiety, mental health. ठीक है. Let me give it a thought. And once I feel a little better, because I am also going through a phase, not depression, but of course it's a phase. And once I'm a little better, then I will for sure let you know how it was for me, and whatever I can share with you guys. आपके लिए आपकी लाइफ में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कौन है? Hi Dipesh. Pinky. About how to mind free and happy. Yeah, I mean, got it. I mean, it's related to mental health only. I will for sure do this. शायद आप में से कुछ लोगों को थोड़ी सी हिम्मत मिले. आपके पास भी कुछ शेयर करने को हो, प्लीज मुझे डीएम कीजिए, बताइए. आई एम श्योर इट विल रीच मी सम वे और द अदर. आई मीन समवन फ्रॉम माय टीम विल शेयर इट विद मी. भगवान आपको खुश रखे. मकौर आपको भी बहुत खुश रखे. थैंक यू. हाय शिफा. एनीथिंग एल्स? कुछ और बात करना चाहेंगे? हाय हरजीत सिंह. कुछ और बोलना चाहेंगे? कुछ और पूछना चाहेंगे? कुछ और जो आप जानना चाहें? प्लीज एक बार मेरी डॉटर का नाम ले लो, वान्या. हाय वान्या. God bless you. Roji. Thank you जी. Thank you. That's all you need. Blessings and good health बहुत ज़रूरी है आज के वक्त में. Good health है तो सब है. हाँ, it's 2 o'clock. एक तो with this stupid thing, I wasted a lot of time. आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी, ये नहीं हो रहा था. खतरों के खिलाड़ी फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट? I haven't seen this season at all. No Big Boss OTT, no खतरों के खिलाड़ी. Big Boss OTT, I think when I was called for Big Boss as a guest, I mean जो आप लोगों ने देखा Big Boss OTT में, तो फिर मैंने देखना शुरू कर दिया. As like no, you know, you should be updated. You should know. You should not mess around and, you know, if something is told to you and just keep saying that. You should know. And you should have your own perspective. So I watched it till then. मेरे जाने के कुछ एपिसोड के बाद भी I saw, but then I could not keep up to it. I have not seen it since a very long time. So I don't know. I think the finale is coming. Someone is going to win. May the best man win. Hi Tanmay. Thank you. आपका फेवरेट कौन है खतरों के खिलाड़ी का कंटेस्टेंट? खत्म हो गया होगा ना? Somebody won? नहीं, अब वो तो मुझे पता चल जाता. But I think अभी फिनाले होना बाकी है. As far as I know, maybe I'm not updated. Divyanka, really? I've heard really good things about Divyanka. यही तो है. Everybody thinks कि मतलब टीवी की बहू है, सीधी सादी बेचारी, तो मतलब कर ही नहीं सकती है. But it's the complete opposite. I mean, I remember my season and I know how it was. People did not really expect me to do whatever I did or I could. So I know, you know, you shine, you really shine when you go there and when you kill all the stunts. I haven't seen honestly, but I did hear that she's really done well. So yeah, kudos to her. I wish is she in the finals? I wish she wins. आज नहीं please, I'm sorry. आज नहीं, I will have to go. Hi Surbhi. What's your favorite song currently? चुप माही चुप है रांझा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, ना जा जा जा. This is my favorite, current favorite. In fact, I want to do a reel on this song. Have I? नहीं, I haven't. I'm gonna do a reel on this song. थैंक यू. हाय जूही. चलिए अब थैंक यू जी. फर्स्ट टाइम आपने मुझे लाइव देखा. थैंक यू प्राची. प्राची था या प्रचित, सॉरी इफ आई प्रोनाउंस योर नेम रॉन्ग. Prachi Singh, yeah, I'm right. Okay, so I think this is it. Do you watch Shesha? Yes, I did. It was really, really nice. Loved it. Siddharth was amazing in the film. Hi, Abhishek. What's up? Your birthday is not over only, huh? Each and everyone is celebrating your birthday, huh? यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह you're so special to everyone, I must say. Hi Tanya. Thank you. Can you hear the song Rimjim of Parth Samthan? I did watch it. Of course, I'm going to watch Parth's song. And I loved Parth in the song. It's shot beautifully. And it's doing pretty well. I did put up a story for him. And we may not be in touch, but it always feels nice and you feel proud when a friend or a colleague or someone you know does well and is climbing the ladder of success. You always feel nice, you feel proud, and I really feel proud whenever he does anything, any project. Did I miss something, Abhishek? I'm blessed to be loved by so many people. Indeed you are, because you're a nice person and you always look around for the people you love. You are there for them. So obviously, that's how it is. I think I gotta go now, guys. I think it's been good 20 minutes of live chat with you. आप लोग good. प्रियांक के बारे में कुछ बताओ. Priyank. He's a cutie pie. I met him before I left for Srinagar. He's fine, he's good, he's doing good, he's pursuing what he wants to do in life, so I'm glad. I have to go, Khushi. I'm really sorry. I know you don't want me to go, but I don't have anything to talk now. Unless you give me a topic, I'll start talking about it, or else I'll have to go. And as I said, my room is a mess. I have to clean my room today. My mom's given me an ultimatum, although she's in Srinagar, but she's given me an ultimatum to clean the room. She hates the mess around in the house, so I have to do my room. अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा time मिला, so I'm gonna make a reel on this song. चुप माही चुप है राजा, बोले कैसे वे आजा, आने कैसे वे नाचा. आज तो मुझे लिरिक्स का इतना ऑलवेज. रॉकी जे के बारे में कुछ कहो. रॉकी जे तो जान है, जान. I don't have words for Rocky J. He is the lifeline, the love of my life, my baby. I don't know if you're watching. I love you. I love you. That's it. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. See you soon.